Hey guys, my name is Jason and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Crypto Jason. Today's video is really going to be an interesting video because in this video I'm going to talk about the Doggy Mongo crypto project. So let me tell you friends, Doggy Mongo is a BSC token and the own native token of Doggy Mongo is called as the Doggo tokens. And let me tell you friends, there is a free way in which you can earn Doggo, which is by downloading their own official app, which is the Doggy Mongo app, wherein you have to download and install that application and catch Doggymons. So the more Doggymons you catch, the more Doggo tokens you can get totally for free. So the topics that I'll be covering in this video is I'll be giving you an in-depth review about the Doggy Mongo crypto project. I'll be also teaching you how you can buy Doggo tokens, how you can farm the Doggo tokens, and apart from that I'll be also teaching you how you can download their own official app, which is the Doggy Mongo app. And at the end of the video I'll be also teaching you how you can earn up to $1,800 just by participating in the contest which is right now going on. So altogether this would be a really interesting video to watch. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel until now, please do subscribe, and while clicking on the bell icon, select the button all. First, let us go to the official website of Doggy Mongo, which is doggymongo.com, and here you can see a list of options that are present in the website. Let me simply scroll down a bit, and here you can see two options, which is Doggymon map as well as Doggo map. So let us start with the Doggo map. So here you can see the logo of Doggy Mongo, and the first slide is about the game and the mission. So as I told in the introduction part, they have their own native game, and the main aim of this game is to invite people from all over the world to learn about crypto with a fun and exciting game, even if they are new to crypto. And Mars is the target of this game. Let us now have a look at the Doggo token usage. Buy Doggo tokens and swap them into Doggo credits. So as you can see over here, on every transaction that happens, whether it can be buy or sell, which happens in the Doggy Mongo, 7% of the total amount would be redistributed as Dogecoin. So here friends, if you are holding Doggo tokens, you will be earning free Doge tokens. So this is really an interesting thing, and from every transaction, 3% of the total amount would be added as liquidity in the PancakeSwap. Also there is an anti-dump and 1% sell fee. So this is to avoid dumping, and they will restrict sell fees to less than 0.1% of the total supply, along with a 1% fee on all the cells. So this will help the project from the whales that try to control the prices. And the best thing about the redistribution about the Doggy Mongo is that if you are a hodler of Doggo, you don't need to manually claim any rewards. All the rewards, whenever the transaction happen, would be automatically sent as Dogecoin to all the hodlers. And let me tell you friends, the more levels you complete in the game, the more rewards you can earn in the Doggo. Also let me tell you, with the Doggo tokens, you will be able to buy NFTs and level up your Doggomons or boost your game. As you can see over here, on every transaction there is a total fee of 15%, out of which 7% would be redistributed as Dogecoin, as we already discussed. 3% of the total amount would go for the marketing purposes like hiring the influencers. 1% of the total amount of the transaction would go into the team wallet. During the time of the launch, 90% was gone as fair launch, and the rest 10% was kept aside as Doggy Mongo app rewards. So as you can see over here, during the time of launch there was no team tokens that were allotted. So that is the reason they are getting 1% from every transaction and 3% as liquidity. Another 1% on every transaction would be sent as the game rewards. So this was pretty much about the Doggo maps, and please make sure that you follow them on all their social medias to get the latest update. Doggy Mongo has already been audited not only by the TechRate but also by the PeckShield audit. So let us have a look at the audit. So I personally had a look at the audit reports, and you can see they have passed all the security checks, and it is 100% a safe and a rug pull proof project. So here is everything about the Doggy Mongo NFTs. So these are all the NFTs that would be launched in future. So as of now you won't be able to buy them, but you can have a look at how the NFTs would look in the future. So let me tell you friends, Doggy Mongo has already been listed on the CoinMarketCap as well as the CoinGecko, and in the prices you can see in the last 24 hours there has been a growth of 15%, which is pretty impressive. let us have a look at the BSC scan, and here you can see the total supply is of 100 billion Dogo, and right now there are over 8,000 plus holders. So let me now teach you how we can buy the Dogo tokens. So all you need to do is just go to the link in the description below for the PancakeSwap, and now let us paste the contract address and wait for a few seconds. So let me simply click on I understand and choose import. So in this video friends, I'll be buying Dogo from the BUSD that I am holding right now, and the amount that I will put is of $10. Let us wait for a few seconds until this error disappears. So right now the slippage is set as 0.1%. So let me tell you friends, while buying Dogimongo, you need to keep a slippage which is between 15 to 20%. So the slippage that worked for me was 18%. So let me click on the swap, confirm swap, and this is the amount of gas fees that I have to pay. Let me click on the confirm. Let us wait for a few seconds, and you can see so $10 worth of Dogo tokens has already been purchased. So let me now copy the contract address, go to my MetaMask, click on the import token, paste the contract address and choose add custom token. And let me click on the import. You can see I was supposed to receive 26,000 Dogo, but I have only received 22,000. So it is basically because of the 15% transaction fee, and apart from that the slippage was also high. So that is the reason why you can see a decline. Now let me teach you how you can farm the tokens. So all you need to do is just go to the link in the description below for farming. So once we are on this link, you can see you can farm with Dogo as well as the BNB pair, and the APR which you will get is over 1.41%. So if you are willing to provide liquidity, just click on the add liquidity, and please make sure that you have equal amount of both the tokens. So here is the transaction details of people who are adding the liquidity. Now friends, let us talk about the most interesting thing about this project, which is the Dogimongo app. So here you can see start catching Dogimongos. So let us first have a look at the Dogimongo maps, and here you can see friends, this is the basic interface of how the game looks. So first is the maps, then is the gameplay, and third is the points, and these are all the Dogimons that you can catch in this particular game. So the higher level you go, the higher points you can collect. So these are the list of all the Dogimons which are available. So let me talk about another interesting thing which I liked about this project, which is start your own advertising. If any one of you who is watching this video have their own tokens, they can advertise it into the Dogimongo. So all you need to do is click on the advertise with Dogimongo, and you will be provided with a Google form. Fill in that Google form and the team will contact you and give you the further details. So talking about how you can install, just go to the website, and here you will find the links for both App Store as well as Play Store. So I have chosen Play Store. So all you need to do is click on the install, click on the register, and you can simply play this game as per the instruction which will be provided. As I had promised earlier about the $1,800 that you can win. So let me tell you friends, I have provided the link for the same in the description below, and this contest is valid only till today. Go to that link, click on the join contest, and friends, these are all the prizes that you can win. So there are multiple ways in which you can participate. You can either be randomly selected for the tokens, or friends, if you are in the top 3,000, you will get some tokens totally for free. So this was pretty much a review about the Dogimongo. So guys, I hope that you have watched this whole video and got a deep understanding about the Dogimongo crypto project. Still, if you got any doubts or queries regarding anything that I have taught in this particular video, you can comment down below. So thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.